Hello everyone and welcome back to Hot Ticket. I'm Kevin Hornsby for Cox 11 and here today to tell you about a great event that's coming up at Tysinger in Hampton, and we want you to attend, and it's for a good cause. Here to tell me about that is Mark Tysinger and Ross Vieira. Welcome, gentlemen.
Welcome. Good morning.
Mark, go ahead.
Really excited to tell everyone about this event. It's in conjunction with the grand opening of our new Audi dealership in Hampton, and it's a wonderful cause. The Virginia Gentlemen's Camp Grom. We're going to talk about that a little more, but it is really just a great cause that we're excited to be involved with. And it is a fun event. It's $150 a couple, but for that you get a chance to win a 3-year lease of a new Audi A3. We've got live entertainment, the culinary delights of some incredible local restaurants. You can go on the website, get information on that. It just is just a really great event, and it is a wonderful cause. We've got Bonfire Magazine is helping us promote it, and we're just excited to be involved with it.
Ross, tell me about Virginia Gentlemen, because it sounds like you guys are doing something great.
Well, Kevin, thank you so much, and we're so thrilled to be as a benefactor with Tysinger and their grand opening of their new Audi dealership. The Virginia Gentlemen Foundation was founded in 2007 as a bunch of guys in the local area just trying to make a difference in the community. And our first focus was to help those with disabilities. As soon as we got started, one of our friends in the foundation, his brother came down with Lou Gehrig's disease, also known as ALS. Tragic disease, 32 years old when he was diagnosed, and it's a fatal disease. And so we found that we rallied behind that cause right away. From that effort, we raised over $3 million for ALS and Lou Gehrig's disease to help patients. We also wanted to get back to what our founding was, which is helping those with disabilities. And we were able to, through those efforts, build JT's Camp Grommet Island on First Street, first ever handicap accessible beach park and playground. And now what we're doing is taking on probably one of our most ambitious projects, which is to build a camp for wounded veterans, families of the fallen, and children and adults with special needs and disabilities in Virginia Beach and Hampton Roads and throughout our state.
Man, it sounds like what a great cause. And Mark, what made you want to do something like this?
You know, first of all, I feel like we've been very fortunate and want to be involved and give back in our local area. This is a regional effort, and I was just so impressed with what the Virginia Gentlemen from the peninsula. They're a little under the radar. They're just not particularly well known, but the more I learned about them and what they've accomplished, the fact that you guys have raised $3 million in the local area for the support of those causes, and this is really ambitious. This is a $14 million project, I believe.
It's about that.
Yeah, so it's a 70-acre park. It really is. It's going to be an amazing, I guess, a thing for all of those individuals in our community. And you got to think that they really, for them to be able to go out and go to a place where they feel completely comfortable and to enjoy that, and our wounded warriors, our vets, I just think it's an amazing thing to do.
Well, you mentioned you already did one for handicapped children and everything.
That's right.
What do the families feel when they come out and see that you've made this for them?
You can't even imagine what the feelings are. When you go out there and you talk to these families, and it's everyone from moms and dads, grandparents, brothers and sisters, being able to go out onto the beach and into an environment where they otherwise could not attain that feeling and get back to what they love, which is the beach, which is just enjoying life and enjoying the camaraderie with their families and friends.
Where can people find out more?
You can find out more about Camp Grom on our website, vagentleman.com. We are going to be having a bunch of events. We cannot wait. Come out to this event on May 8th. It's from 6 to 10 p.m. At Tysinger. You're going to see you'll hear all about it. We have the models. We're going to have the 3D renderings. We have the video to show you what this camp is going to look like. You're going to absolutely love it, and we just can't.
Mark, the last word.
And for $150, it's going for a great cause, and I don't think you can get a better value for $150.
Sounds great.
Chance to win an automobile, great live entertainment, great food, and just a great bunch of folks.
Guys, thank you so much for sharing this information.
We're
looking forward to it.
And we want to invite you out May the 8th to this great cause. For Hot Ticket, I'm Kevin Hornsby.